Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we just got a brand new TV into the store that we're going to unbox here for you. It's the Z2 series OLED from LG. This is the 88-inch version, and this series of TV is so massive that it comes with its own entertainment stand. So we're going to unbox everything for you, show you all the accessories that come inside, and then give our first impressions of the picture, so stay tuned. So as you may have expected, the picture on this thing is absolutely fantastic. It's an 88-inch screen size, so it's massive. You will need a few people to actually assemble all of this because it's really heavy. But otherwise, there's not much bad you can say about this thing. Everything's looked great that we've had a chance to watch. It's got 4 8K HDMI inputs on the back of it, so it is definitely future-proof. You get great sound quality out of it. Having a TV like this, you're probably going to want to hook it up to a full kind of a Dolby Atmos system to really get the most out of it, but right out of the box, it still sounds good. Otherwise, we're going to have this on display in the store. If you guys live in the Chicagoland area, make sure you come by and check it out. If you don't live in the Chicagoland area, make sure you give our experts a call or chat with them online or send them an email. We're always happy to help with any questions you might have. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.